Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today, what are we doing today? Well, today we're going to go to local area, not far. Going to pick up Robert, I think it's just Robert, maybe Mark, I'm not sure. Taking a Honda Wave today. No real changes on the bike. Standard as always, well as standard as it can be. But I'll go through the bike quickly just so you can have a quick look. Mainly just a bit of trail riding today. And then we'll stop and work out where our next long trip's going to be. So that's the plan for today. Okay, day today, the 100S, which you've probably seen it loads of times. Nothing really different on there from last time. Basically stripped down for today. Just got a few things on, got my GPS. Only because it was a new trail, I like to log it so I know where it is. So if I can find it again, telephone will be going on here. My GPS, as I've said before, hardwired it, makes it a lot easier. New paperwork, Robert's got a new bike, so got to drop that off. Just oiled the chain up so it's nice and ready to go. I was just looking at the lake.
Oh, it's horrible.
It's quite big. No, this one here.
Oh, it's a big, massive one.
The big one, yeah. I think might be good for like a stealth camp or something.
Stops when you get to the RSA. See, I thought you're looking at you have to go around that side, remember?
So yeah, we'll look at the local football.
Futsal.
Robert's chatting away with the locals as always. It's all the local villages have come together for a competition, just a footy competition. Some of the players out there must be like 80 years old, but they're out playing football. So it's a matter of pride, I think. So there's loads of them out there. We just had the cheerleading girls just come, said hello, which was nice, always nice. So we're just chilling out. Okay, hey Robert. So we're back from the ride. Good ride today. We went, not sure, I'll have to look at the GPS, but up around the old Chinese cemetery, and then up through the woods, very jungleized up there, and then follow the train line. There's the train line, and there's huge big trails left and right following the train line all the way through, and trails coming off left and right. So we followed some of the left and right, found some really good wild camping places. So we'll be looking at them with a small lake, so we can either swim or we could do some fishing there, which would be cool. Not far either, which was really good. And then we stopped at a local village. It was a village football competition, a village against another, which was fun. So we stopped there, had a drink, socialised a bit, and then we've just got back, just headed back. Rather be home by now. I'm home. So anyone who's new to this, we basically a bunch of guys and girls, not just guys, and we use small bikes. We go all around Southeast Asia, touring, camping, fishing, whatever, charity work, whatever it takes, enjoying each other's company, having fun. All on small bikes, very small bikes, 100cc up to, I think 135 is the biggest we got, and that's it. We modify them, get them to do things that they're not meant to, by changing the shocks or upgrading the shocks. But as you can see in the video today, these bikes will go pretty much anywhere. And even fully loaded with 70, 80 Ks, they'll still go there. Great little bikes. So if it sort of interests you, yeah, keep watching. Thanks.